it's Marina, the Trader Chick, and I am here to simplify your day trading for you. So I get asked all the time, should I get into the market? How do I know when to get into the market? Oh my God, something doesn't feel right, but should I get in anyways? So today I'm going to be talking all about should haves, would haves, could haves, but most importantly, how do you really enter the market with confidence? But first, subscribe below and hit that notification button so that you can be getting my simplifying day trading hacks and tips weekly sent to you. Okay, so here's a question I get asked all the time, over and over and over again during this kind of a market. Okay, so what are you guys seeing in front of you? Does this look like a good market to you? I get that you allocated this hour, 2 hours to trade the market, but it looks like this and it sucks. And guess what? Sometimes it's gonna look like this. So here's the thing, I get, well, it looks like it could be okay. So what's happening when people start to say that, when you start to think like that? You're not 100% sure, correct? So I have something for you, an interesting fact before I answer that question in total detail. In the U.S. judicial system, okay, the verdict of a person totally depends on the jury. And did you know that millions of guilty people are acquitted each year? Why? Why are they acquitted each year? Because one of the jury members had a shadow of a doubt. Okay, we just heard all this information that this person raped and killed and did this horrible stuff. But there is this shadow of a doubt that maybe it wasn't them. So they get let off completely, right? I know this is an extreme example, but it is the perfect example. Because when you're looking at a shitty market like that, and just because you allocated that hour or two, and you think you should be getting into the market because this is the time you have it, and maybe this looks okay, that feeling, that shadow of a doubt, you're about to put up your hard-earned money, your money that you've been working on. This is money for your family. You have that tiny shadow of a doubt, but you're like, well, I need to. Yet millions of guilty people get released because of that shadow of a doubt. So you need to embrace that shadow of a doubt and let it go. Meaning, don't enter the market. Don't put your money into the market when you have that inkling of that shadow of the doubt. This money, remember, you worked really hard for. It's better in your pocket than when you have that tiny little shadow of a doubt. I don't know. Don't put it into the market. Don't give up that money just because you think you should be in the market. Should is a word that has killed so many things. The should have, would have, could have. No, it's your money and it's still there even if you let it go, okay? Because this is the real thing, guys. There is always another trade coming. There is always another great trade coming. So do not give your hard-earned money with that shadow of a doubt just because you think you should be in the market. Okay? Remember, shadow of a doubt releases too many guilty people. Don't let your money be put in for your own shadow of a doubt. I'm Marina, the Trader Chick, and I want to hear, what do you guys do when you have that deep down shadow of a doubt feeling? What do you do with it? Comment below and remember to subscribe and hit that notification button so that you are getting my simplifying day trading tips and hacks weekly.